Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Commerce 247 and today's topic is objective of financial accounting. And the first objective is maintaining proper record of business transaction. So to achieve this objective, firstly we identify business transactions of financial nature and enter them into appropriate book of account. Actually, we classified business transactions as assets, liabilities, expenses, capital, etc. and make proper and systematic record of all of them. Next objective is calculation of profit or loss. Actually, the main objective of accounting is to calculate profit or loss. So this objective is achieved by keeping proper record of revenues and expenses. If revenues are more than expenses, then it means profit. But if revenues are less than expenses, then it means losses. So to calculate profit or loss, we prepare P&L account, means profit and loss account. Next objective is depiction of the financial position. Actually, assets and liabilities are depicted in the balance sheet, also known as position statement. Every businessman wants to know about his financial position, that what he owes and what he owes. And this objective is served by the balance sheet. Actually, balance sheet depicts the complete financial performance or financial position of the business. Next objective is providing effective control over the business. Actually, accounting reveals the actual performance of the business in terms of sales, profit, losses, cost of production, etc. The actual performance can be compared with the desired performance of the business, and this comparison reveals deviation in terms of weakness and plus point. Causes responsible for the poor performance are identified and efforts are made to remove them. Next is making information available to various companies. Now, it communicates the accounting information to the various parties, means internal or external parties. Internal parties includes owners, managers, employees, and external parties, investors, lenders, suppliers, customers, and government. This accounting information help them in taking sound and judicious decisions about the business. In next video, we will discuss about bookkeeping and accounting. Thank you so much for watching this video.